Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rinaldo Jeffrey Mahendra, and now I will re-explain about monitoring and assessment. The first is, what is the definition of monitoring? Monitoring is the regular observation and recording of activities taking place in a project or programs. Uh, it is a process or routinely gathering information on all aspects of the project. Monitoring provides information that will be useful in analyzing the situation, the analyzing analyzing the situation in the community and its project, determining whether the input in the project are well utilized, identifying problems facing in the community or project, and finding solution and other. Uh, the next is the purpose of monitoring. The following are purpose of monitoring is monitoring is very important in project planning and implementation. It's like watching where you are going while riding a bicycle. You can adjust as you go along and uh, ensure that you are on the right track. Uh, the next is, what is the definition of assessment? Assessment is the way to value the learner ability. It becomes a reflection of teacher success and what have been done in monitoring process in order to optimize the course. Six kind of assessment. The first is placement assessment. Placement assessment is decide with level of the course a learner should enter, what the class the learner should join, and whether the learner should join the course at all. Uh, all this means placement assessment needs to be familiar, friendly, relaxed, reasonably brief, and easy to mark and interpret, and focused on gathering the most relevant information. Uh, the second is observation of learning. There are questions that should be asked when observing learning activities, like what is the learning goal of the activity, what are the learning conditions that would lead to the achievement of this goal, and others. And the third is short-term achievement assessment. Short-term achievement assessment looks at the product of activities or small set of activities. The purpose of this assessment is to see if the learners are making progress on daily or weekly basis. It provides feedback to the teacher and the learner. The fourth is diagnostic assessment. Diagnostic assessment is used to find the gaps and weakness in learner knowledge so that something can be done about them. More positively, it used to find what learners know well so that time is not was time on teaching that. Diagnostic assessment is thus a very important part of need analysis, both before a course begins and during the course. The next is achievement assessment. Achievement assessment measures both the achievement of learners during a course and the achievements of the course. Achievement assessment is very important element in curriculum design. It not only provides feedback for teacher, learner, and curriculum design, but also can affect teaching and learning in that the test motivate and guide learning. This is sometimes called washback effect of testing on teaching, and we will look at a little more proficiency assessment. The last is a proficiency assessment. A test of language proficiency draws items for the test not from the course that learners are studying, but from the language itself, independent of any course. And good assessment it can be examined uh, by considering three criteria, that's reliability, uh, validity, and practicality. So so I think that all for monitoring and assessment. Now I will explain about evaluation. Uh, Curriculum evaluation as a systematic effort to gather information about a curriculum to be used as a consideration of the value and meaning of the curriculum in a particular context. The role of policy evaluation in the curriculum, especially in education, is generally minimal with regard to three things, namely evaluation as a moral judgment, evaluation what is this evaluation and decision making, evaluation and consensus values. uh, Curriculum evaluation models include uh, three aspects. The first is evaluation of research models, uh, evaluation of the objective models, and multivariate mixed model. uh, so, curriculum evaluation models developed from and are used to evaluate specific curriculum models or approaches. Compa- Comparative models are more suitable for evaluating curriculum development that emphasize content. Uh, Goal models are more suitable for use in curriculum development using a goal approach. Mixed model can be used to evaluate both curriculum that emphasize content, goals, and situation. Uh, I think just that for exam. Uh, I think just that for evaluation. And if I do some mistake, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.